The Planetary Health Alliance on Hylo connects global researchers, practitioners, and changemakers working in planetary health. Use Hylo to find experts, discover similar work worldwide, and join the community driving solutions for planetary and human well-being. Before we dive in, let's orient. Your photo icon in the upper left corner takes you to your content and your account settings. Here, you can edit your profile, include a section about you, where you're located so you show up on the map, and your skills and interests. Below, you'll see your notifications, direct messages, the Hylo Commons, which is a space for all Hylo users, your groups below. Keep in mind you can pin a group to the top by right-clicking on it, and then the Create button to create content, and feedback and support. The general chat room is the landing page for the PHA and the primary communication hub for group members. Here you can engage in discussions, coordinate activities, and ask quick questions, as well as share what you're working on as it relates to planetary health. Here you will see two types of content: chats, which are informal messages, and more long-form posts that have more in-depth sharing. Directly on a piece of content, you can respond via emojis, you can add a comment, and include images. Directly in this chat room, you can send a quick message or create a more long-form post by clicking this button here. The stream takes a stream of posts that have been shared in the group. Think of this as more in-depth content. You can sort the stream by post date or latest activity. You can filter the types of posts that you see, as well as search for relevant content. Let's explore the types of posts you can create. Discussions. Use this post type to explore complex challenges so members across disciplines can contribute solutions. Use offers to share your expertise. Perhaps you have vector mapping experience. This allows for your expertise to flow freely across the network. Requests. Use this post type when you need specific help, data, or connections. Events. Use these to coordinate gatherings that build relationships to advance your work. Projects. Transform conversations into collaborative action together. Let's dive deeper into creating posts. First, you'll notice the To field. You can share a post across multiple groups and chat rooms simultaneously, making cross-posting really effective. Include a title, and a description. You will notice a rich text toolbar here. Within the description itself, you can embed YouTube videos that are playable from the chat room or the stream. You can invite project members if it's relevant, include a time frame, add a location so your post shows up on the map. If it's relevant, a donation and a project management link, as well as attach images and files. Once you create a post, there are a couple things. You will notice that your post is open for comments and emoji reactions. And if you click the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner, you can edit the post, copy a link to the post, duplicate it, and edit the contents, as well as delete it. Now let's explore other parts of the network. With the member directory, you have access to thousands of researchers, practitioners, and changemakers working on planetary health, and this can transform your learning journey. Say you're working on climate adaptation strategies. You can search our directory and search folks working in renewable energy as an example. You can click on their profile to learn more about them, see groups that they're a member of, their recent activity, as well as send them a direct message using this icon here. Say you're a student working on your thesis about biodiversity loss. Use the directory to find someone studying a similar topic, click on their profile, and connect with them to share your research, learn from them, and watch as collaborative opportunities emerge. The map takes you to a geographic view of all members, posts, and subgroups within the Planetary Health Alliance all over the world. Here, you can navigate the map to find researchers and practitioners around the world. Search for your location to find planetary health practitioners in your area. Filter what you want to see on the map, clicking this button here. and search the map by topics or keywords. Navigate to different regions to learn about groundbreaking work in sustainable food systems or other aspects of planetary health around the world. Click on the Groups tab to see the broader PHA network. You will see a mix of regional hubs as well as working groups. From here itself, you can join relevant networks. Perhaps you're a practitioner in the Caribbean as well as an educator. By joining both of these groups, you can create cross-disciplinary connections and cross-post content across these communities, which we explored earlier. These subgroups or subcommunities are a great way to have more focused conversations. There's so much collective knowledge to access within the PHA network. What's challenging you in your work or studies right now? Use that as the entry point. Search the directory for experts in that area, explore the map to see where similar work is happening globally, or join a subgroup to dive deeper. Use Hylo to connect, learn from others, and contribute to collective understanding around planetary health.